Hey everyone, so this is my old shower head. It's small in diameter and the water pressure just wasn't great. So I wanted to get this shower head by SparkPod because it is a 6-inch diameter, so it's gonna cover a lot of body surface area and the water pressure is really good. This is your standard size shower head. This is the shower head by SparkPod. Look how much bigger it is. This is gonna cover so much more of my body. One important thing to note is that by default, they have the 1.8 gallon per minute regulator in this thing. But with your kit, they also include a 2.5 gallon regulator that you can easily swap out. This will improve your water pressure, but it will also increase your water bill, so it's really your decision which one you want to use. Here's the water pressure with the 1.8 regulator. Not too bad at all, but it's also not the strongest water pressure. Now here's the 2.5 regulator. As you can tell, it's louder because it's coming out stronger. So the installation only took me 2 minutes. All you have to do is put some threading tape around the part you're gonna screw in the shower head. And then all you do is just screw it in. And just make sure it's tight. So the shower head is adjustable. You can move it up, down, to the side. So I like that it is adjustable. All right, so I just took a shower with it. It felt great. I love the water pressure and I love the amount of area that it covers. Because of that 6-inch diameter of the shower head, it's able to totally get my back wet all at once. Whereas before I'd have to move my back around just to get it all wet. So I just loved all the area that it covered front and back. So if you're looking for a shower head that has better water pressure and you're looking for a shower head that covers more body surface area, then I highly recommend this shower head by SparkPod.